What is color grading? Let me tell you a story. This is Bailey. He just returned from war. Which war? It doesn't matter. The point is, he's a soldier, waiting to be reunited with his gal. He can't wait to make her his fiancée. He waits all day and all night until he realizes she's never coming back. He'll never be able to give her the ring he bought her. Wait, hang on. He's never actually seen that box before. Curious. Bailey, you should totally open it. Ah! Close it, close it, close it, close it, close it! Why did you open it? What in Lord's name was that? What's that sound? It summons some kind of horrible space monster. To fight off the invasion of space monsters, Bailey will have to become a disco dancer and strip naked to sacrifice himself in the ancient sex ritual known as... What? Too far? Okay, back to the drawing board. So once you figure out what story you're trying to tell, we can help you tell it. Because color is story. Oh, that was the point. Nice.
This was used with permission from Reason Studio out of Burbank, California. I got permission to use this for educational purposes, but if you need a boutique service to grade your project, check them out. I'll include a link in the description. And if you want inspiration of different styles and moods in your color grading to make it look like a movie, check out CinemaGrade. With it, you get 90 built-in color looks, providing you with a variety of different aesthetics based on color theory like color palette, genre, location, mood, and time of day. This plugin takes out all the guesswork, plus with the point-and-click color grading experience in the viewer, there's no easier way to create professional-looking projects that set you apart. I'll have a link for it in the card above and in the description. And for a limited time, you can get 20% off of CinemaGrade at checkout with coupon code MOOD20. For even more grading videos, check out our channel where we have a whole plethora of different grading topics, and be sure to subscribe for the latest. Discover color grading and make better looking videos.